Happy day one of 365, my loves. So today, I'm basically just going to do a video showing you how I shape up my eyebrows using a very dull razor. And I'm going to be putting my lashes on. I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. Peace and blessings to everyone. This video is pretty much going to be a watch and learn. I am going to go over some affirmations. It's a new year, so why not start the new year off with some new affirmations, new goals. Okay, so starting off, these are 10 affirmations. These can be for kids, adults, or whatever, but this can boost your self esteem. And it's I can do hard things. I am loved. I am important. I believe in myself. I do not give up. I am kind to myself and others. I am a problem solver. I am strong. I am beautiful inside and out. I love myself as I am. Those affirmations help boost self-esteem, and they are really important. It's really important to feed yourself positive things to help boost your self-esteem. If you battle having doubts about yourself, if you are not a hopeful person, you don't really believe in yourself, you don't believe that you can do things, hard things in life, you don't believe that you are important, if you don't feel like you are just loved, if you feel lonely, telling yourself those things can really help boost up your confidence. Here are some of my favorite affirmations for gratitude. I am grateful for having a roof over my head. I am blessed to have people who love and care for me. I am happy that I am able to freely follow my dreams. I am blessed to live in a world of beauty and nature. I am grateful for my family and friends. I am content and love my work. I feel gratitude for the wonder and beauty of nature around me. I am grateful that today I can choose to change any part of my life that is not working. I am thankful that I feel good about myself and my life. I feel grateful for my health and happiness. When I express gratitude, I bring more amazing things into my life. And the last one was the most important one that we have to realize. When we are grateful for what we have, we open doors for more. So those are some of my favorite gratitude affirmations. Here are some of my favorite life-changing affirmations. Everything that is happening to me is happening for a positive and prosperous future. My mind is filled with positivity and creativity that I can easily channel. My ability to conquer any challenge is limitless. When times are tough, I'm able to acknowledge my feelings but not let them control me. My life is just beginning. These are my most favorite positive affirmations for health. I am healthy, happy, and radiant. I appreciate and love my body. I love feeling fit and strong. It is easy for me to eat well and exercise regularly. The older I get, the healthier I become. I radiate good health. I am calm and at peace. I am focused and motivated. My sleep is relaxed and refreshing. I have all the energy I need to accomplish my goals. My body is healed, restored, and filled with energy. And it's just, those are some really good ones for, health related topics. And, I just feel like, if you're feeding your brain these positive things, then, you are bound to get better. You're bound to grow. You are bound to just be able to live your best life mentally. Okay, and I know a lot of people like talking about money because we need money for everything. But at first, it starts with your mental. You have to be able to be mentally stable and mentally capable of keeping your money and growing your money and just investing in yourself. But the money affirmations, those are usually everybody's favorite. And disregard me messing up my eyebrows and having to fix them. But the first one is I am a money magnet. Money is drawn to me. I am attracting money at this very moment. Everything I touch turns into gold. I am ready and able to receive more money. Money is the root of joy and comfort. I deserve to make more money. My actions create prosperity. I constantly discover new sources of income. I release all negative energy over money. All the resources I need are within me. I can handle massive success with ease. I get rich doing what I love. I am abundant of money is flowing into my life. I deserve to be rich. I let go of all my fears around money. The more I give, the more I receive. And those are some of my most favorite money affirmations. I'm going to do my last two, which are I have the power to create change, and today I choose to be the most beautiful version of myself inside and out. You guys know I love affirmations and I just love speaking positively over my life because I feel like it has helped me and I just wanted to help others. I thank you so much for being on this journey with me, supporting me, watching my videos, loving me, and I love you. And I just wish peace and prosperity over you, over your life, over your health, and over your whole entire year. And this is the final look. I'm done. And I thank you guys so much. I have so much in store for you in this new year. If you like my video, make sure you Like, comment, subscribe, and if you would like me to email you a list of affirmations, comment your email below, or you can email me at the email that is listed below. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, my loves.